Hello friends, this is Katie. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a classic but super easy tiramisu cake that you can whip up in no time. With fresh cream and a touch of coffee, it's perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a quick dessert recipe. It's truly the best homemade dessert that everyone will love. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy tiramisu and don't forget to subscribe for more sweet recipes.